Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. Now in this we have to draw front view, top view. It will be given and they will give you the cutting plane also. So we are doing sectional front view, top view of a cone. So see, the cutting plane is in front view and in top view it appears like this. They have given the base, so you don't worry, you will get the cutting plane done on your paper. So this is how it is done. So we have a cutting plane, so we need to draw sectional top view. This is parallel to the end generators. Now this portion will be dark. I have divided circle into 12 parts. If you see O dash, G dash, so wherever it will cut, that is PG dash, then PF dash, PH dash. So that way we can mark all this point. E and I also I can mark. Now this center point I can't mark. I can mark in front view, but I can't mark directly in top view. That all of you know. Then from here you project these 2 points and these two are base. So whenever you cut base you get 2 points, PU, PV. So now I'm taking step by step. See this, PG dash. So wherever it will cut on OG, that is PE. Sorry, PG, yeah, that is correct. Then you extend this, wherever it will cut on OF and OH. So you'll get respectively 2 points. Then again you project this, wherever it will cut on E and I, PE and PI. This is PF. If you want to write, you can write the name, otherwise you can ignore. Now we have one shortcut method. For this point, what I will do, I will take it till the extreme edge, go down till here and then rotate. Or I can do it from side view also. Take it here on the extreme edge, project down on OG and then you rotate. You take that distance and rotate. So this is PD and PJ. Extend this, you'll get PC, PK and PUPV. So when you join with free hand, this is what you will get. This is sectional top view.